Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
On a Sunday breakfast, my friend was enjoying yogurt and yolk. Another friend was riding on the yellow yacht. I was playing with the yo-yo. We saw a big yak grazing beside us. It was a happy day. Friends are best. Dear kids, let's meet with the new alphabet Y. Its sound is Y. Y, Y, yacht. Y, Y, yellow. Y, Y, york. Y, Y, yogurt. Y, Y, yolk. Y, Y, yo-yo. Dear kids, what is a yacht used for? How do you think it feels to ride on a big yacht?
See you in the next lesson.